namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, the album, yeah, also go Mr. Post, The Tower Man, year 2024. And then, of course, you can Greta Gagashi Resort. Yeah, so of course, around 23rd of November, as you can see, if you can scroll account here, also go Mr. Post, or if you can scroll from boom, he wrote 1 December, as you can see, then you will get hot, as you can see. So if you have full out, you will get a cover. So show you see radio, so Mr. Post is done. It's done as usual. Not guitar, I want a guitar, but this time around, guitar is it rain. Loko mpfumalo wa guitar yi wu kona ka track style mga mi tunu kuna beat leya yi binyana ho singo Mr. Post ngu yi vekela this section. The twinyana guitar la and stuff like that. So how loko fika hi hlala swino ku tsariwa ku Mr. Post munhu wun'we ntsena. So munhu wun'we ntsena i clip leya hi nga yi twa so ngova a yi vekerini na kwala ka channel yi kona. So a swi twa ku munhu wun'we a cinisa ku va munhu wun'we ntsena. Ko va munhu wun'we a cinisa ku va so a swi twa ku yi na xigego la xikarhi yi na xigego la xikarhi track liya swo twala ku yi na xigego ku i ri yena ntsena. Like ku cinisa vanhu is basically talking about music. Music wa yena hi wona wu baku yo hi sweswo music wa yena hi wu baku wona wu endla ku vanhu va va excited leswi a zama ku vula swona. A nga lavi lehi tigigi ni ku ni twi a ka chingelo hi swona ku a nga na tigigi loko swi fika laha no it's basically trying ku music wa yena hi wona wu cinisaka vanhu hi wona wu baku in other words. So then the colors of the back tani bayisanyana mara swi na wu pink ne. So in background ya kona yi komba yi na vu pink, I think i pink leyi ne yi na vu pink na vu reddish nyana la at the background. So it's good. Ko one very swi color preference. Yeah. So hi sweswo yi so ta ki vona swi ta kha swi famba njhani very yi ta yi kha yi sukini swinene. Ha swi tiva ku obviously va ta va ri competent swinene na Dr. Joy Shirimane laha ka December yi ta yi suki kusuka. And then of course hi hetela hi Greta Gagashi Resort. As you can see, yena yi le ku pusheni swinene at this place hi ta hi vekeleni na ti-images on the side. A ku busy swinene eka Greta Gagashi Resort tanihileswi mi swi vonaka kwala a hi byeri ku i ta kha ri busy swinene na le handle ka parking le ku va kha a endla moxa mi nga ma hleketa and stuff like that. So nakona swi le ku pusheni ku a ni vhele stage a hi updating ka previous video so i busy swinene na that area parking no penda laha handle ma swona ku pendiwini. It's very busy na parking there as you can see kwala we get not those shades as you can see kwala. So a xi busy blind dimeni swo tala loko cheleteleni na swa swinuka as you can see kwalano swi le ku veketeriweni. Yeah yi na very munhu ndla swa proper as you can see ma swo ti-shades leti nga la movha ya vanhu yi ta yi kha yi pakapa kwala I guess so. Kwani laha handle ti hi le parking unless if I'm wrong but swi kombi na ku nga ku ri swo sweswo. So mani hlamusi ka swi tala ngopfu or ina or nga ku ri car wash ni vona ku a swi tala ngopfu guys hi ngo a Zuma ne. So hi leswo loko ri a mi nge za mi subscribe a ni ta kombela mi teka subscribe.